In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CNAME record in Cloudflare. Whether you're setting up a custom subdomain for your website or pointing it to another service, adding a CNAME record is an essential step for managing your DNS settings. Don't worry if this sounds a bit technical. I'll guide you through each step. So by the end of this video, you'll have everything set up and running smoothly. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Head over to Cloudflare's website and log in with your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be presented with a list of all the domains you currently manage in your Cloudflare account. Take a moment to locate the domain where you'd like to add your CNAME record and click on it to open its settings. Now that you're in the domain's settings, look at the top of the dashboard, and you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labeled DNS. This will take you to the DNS settings for your domain. Here you'll see all the DNS records currently associated with your domain. But for now, we're going to focus on adding a new one. To add a new record, look for the Add Record button, which is usually located near the top or center of the page. Click on it, and a form will appear that allows you to input the details for your new DNS record. This is where we'll enter the information for your CNAME record. First, you'll need to set the record type. In the drop-down menu labeled Type, select CNAME. This tells Cloudflare that you're creating a CNAME record, which is used to point a subdomain to another domain name. Next, in the name field, enter the subdomain you want to create. For example, if you're setting up a subdomain like www or blog, simply type that into the field. This is the part of the URL that comes before your domain name. After that, you'll need to fill in the target field. Here, you'll enter the host name or address you want your subdomain to point to. This could be something like example.com or another address provided by the service you're using. Double-check this information to make sure it's accurate, as the subdomain won't work if the target is incorrect. Now, let's talk about the TTL or time to live. You'll notice an option to set TTL for your record. Unless you've been given a specific value by your service provider, it's best to leave this set to auto, which is the default setting. Next, you'll need to choose the proxy status for your CNAME record. Cloudflare offers two options here. If you want to take advantage of Cloudflare's performance and security features, select the orange cloud icon. However, if you only need basic DNS resolution and a third-party service requires it, select the gray cloud icon. Make sure to choose the appropriate option based on your specific needs. Once you've filled in all the fields and selected the correct options, click the Save button to finalize your CNAME record. Cloudflare will now add the record to your DNS settings. To confirm that everything has been set up correctly, take a look at your DNS records list. Your new CNAME record should appear in the list, showing the subdomain name, target, and proxy status you just configured. The final step is to test your subdomain. Open a browser and enter the subdomain URL you just created, or use a DNS lookup tool to verify that the record is resolving correctly. If everything is working as expected, you're all set. If the subdomain doesn't work, double-check the name, target, and proxy settings to ensure everything is entered correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a CNAME record in Cloudflare. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.